In this tutorial, we will show you how to calculate shape control points to solve some problems. The method we use is to just changing some parameter settings or just adding some shape control points. Now let's start. First, let's load a cloth. This is the cloth. Then let's load the body shape we have already matched. Now let's start to convert this cloth. First, let's merge and stitch the cloth to one isolated mesh. And then let's go to Edit, Face Mode, then click this button to convert cloth. Let's use this body type. Let's just use the default parameters. Let's go to step 3. Let's calculate the shape control points. First, calculate the shape control points, then modify the shape control points. Then let's show and check the modified shape control points. Here are the shape control points. There are some shape control points here. Okay. Let's hide the shape control points. Let's calculate the skin transfer points. Let's show and check the skin transfer points. They look okay. Now let's export. Let's close this window. Let's change it to the Dress 3D tool to test. First, load an interchangeable base character. Then let's dress and cloth on this character. You see there is an issue here. This part of the cloth should be close to the legs and is shorter. Now let's solve this problem. Let's go back to the close converter. Let's load cloth again. Then let's open the body again. Let's repeat the process, merge and stitch first. Let's go to the second step. Here let's change the parameter the maximum distance for calculating the shape control points on legs so that we can add some shape control points here. Let's increase it. Then let's go here to calculate the shape control points. Then modify and show them. You see, because we have increased the distance, we add some control points from the leg to the cloth. Let's hide them. Now let's calculate the skin transfer points. We don't need to check because we have not changed any parameters. So let's export it. Let's close this window. Now let's go back to the Dress 3D tool to test it. Again, let's load this character. Then let's load the cloth asset. You see, now this part of cloth has dropped to here and is shorter. The reason is we have added shape control points here. So the issue is solved. Next, we show this issue can also be solved in another way by adding some shape control points. So let's go back to Cloth Converter. Let's load the cloth again. Let's merge and stitch it. Let's load the body shape. Now let's go here to start the close conversion process. We just use the default parameters. Let's calculate the shape control points. Let's show the shape control points. You see, there's no control points here because we use the default parameters. Let's add the shape control points from the leg to here. Use this button. First, select this part of cloth to create a region on it. Then create another region. Then if we click the Add Shape Control Points button, then for each region the software will find the point on the character body shape, which is the closest to this region, and add an shape control point on the point. Now let's do it. Click this button. Now we are notified that 2 control points are added. Okay, now let's show the shape control points again. You see there are 2 points added. Let's hide the shape control points. Then let's modify shape control points. Let's show and check the modified control points. So they are there. Okay. So let's hide the modified shape control points. Let's calculate scan transfer points, then export. Let's close this window. So now let's go back to Dress 3D tool to test again. So let's load this character again. Then let's load the cloth, convert it. You see, the issue is also solved. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.